have chosen to focus on the learning target of addition in kindergarten. This is coming from the Nebraska Mathematics Standards under the main strand of numbers, under the indicator in operations, where it says fluently add and subtract within 5. Once kindergartners begin to master basic number and quantity recognition, they can be introduced to the concept of addition. At the beginning stages, pictures can serve as a visual aid to help build an understanding of the concept of addition. So I have chosen the resource from Zearn.org in order to support students within this content. I like the setup Zearn has as a daily instruction, and it offers 2 suggestions. The teacher can lead the instruction as a whole group, but it also has the daily instruction divided into 2 stations where half of your students can be involved or engaged with digital activities, and the other half can be with the teacher in small groups while the teacher leads these activities. I also like this setup because my school has a one-to-one device for students. So this is a great setup of the resources that we already have. So here are the missions or lessons that Zearn has for kindergarten. So as I said, students must first master student number, quantity, and recognition. And then the mission 4 of number pairs addition and subtraction to 10 is where I would want to go. Under that mission, here is an example of the teacher lesson plan that she can follow with the small group, again focusing on the area of addition. While the teacher is teaching in small group, the students can be involved in these digital activities, which are short, engaging activities. They're designed to build number sense through an intentional progression from numbers to 5 and also all the way to 20. So each activity takes about 10 minutes, and students advance through the activities at their own pace and can revisit activities for additional practice. So here are the sample, actually the entire activities available in Zearn.org. So I will be focusing on numbers to 5 to begin, and I will go into make and break. The student will have a username and a password that they can type in, and this is called make and break to 5.
Make 2.
So here we have a 5 frame, which is the first step for children to begin with addition, and we build, like the directions said, build 2. So they click on that, and they're automatically
1 and 1 make what number?
They begin to introduce students to what addition is all about, and the child chooses the number down here. So 1 and 1, they have made 2 there. They press enter, and they go on to the next problem.
Make 3.
There is no way of making a mistake on building, since it only offers them 1
2
choice.
and 1 make what number?
But this is basic introduction into addition for students as they transition from number, quantity, and recognition into addition. So if a child makes a mistake and does not understand the problem, again, they're independent at this point.
Use the dots to help you.
There are cues that they are given. So if the child continues to make an error,
2 and 1 make 3. 1, 2, 3.
they are given assistance and they can be independent.
Make 4.
In this activity. So I like this resource because a student can be engaged while they're in their independent time, and if they continue to have difficulties, then when they are with a small group, I can assist at that point. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.